guys, it's Davita with WTI. You know those things that you invest in, you keep them for some time, you use them, and then after time you think to yourself, that was 100% worth the investment, or I should have bought that sooner. Well, this is one of those products. This is the travel size Berkey, which holds about 1.5 gallons or 5.6 liters of water. The reason why it's 100% worth the investment is because it provides a lifetime supply of fresh water, whether that be from a lake, an outside source, or from your own tap water. The only item that has to be replaced are the black filters, and that's every 6,000 gallons of water filtered. The water is delicious. I do notice a difference from the taste of our tap water to the filtered Berkey water, and many guests that have come over have even said the same, that the water is just delicious. So there is a difference in taste. I like that the Berkey is simple and easy to use. There aren't many parts or components to it. And the travel size is honestly perfect for my needs. I like that it's small enough so that I can throw it in a suitcase when I'm traveling if I'm a little bit scared about the water supply, or if I don't want to just drink bottled water. I can even bring it camping, and it holds just enough water for my daily needs along with my husband's. 3 tips for cleaning your filters, which should be done at least once a month. Do not use hot water. Don't use dish soap. Clean with a soft and fresh sponge. Those are all the things I love about the Berkey. I could go on and on, but you just have to try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.